Hi, my cuticle cuties. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I have some 3D painted gel from Born Pretty. You see they sent me 6 here. I am going to unpackage them and check out these colors. First, shout out to all of my channel members. Shout out to all of my subscribers. Thank you all so much for being cuticle cuties. Now let's get straight into the video. I'll have the links to all of these colors in the description. So according to the top, these are the colors. And as you can see, I have a variety of shades. And it's the Born Pretty 3D painting gel. Each one of them was wrapped very secure. And then there's a foil wrap in it as well. Let's see. I'm going to peel this back. Ooh, it's a nice pink color. Let's get these all open and check out the colors. So I have this little swatch stick that's painted in some regular black gel polish, and I'm going to go in to show you how we use it. We are going to be working with this gold Born Pretty 3D painted gel, and it is number A06. And as you see, the gold is so shiny. Check out this gold. A little goes a long way, so let me put some of that back. The next shade we will be using is A04. It is this silver color. And I'll put that with the red. It's a reflective color as well. And this is how the silver look, very shiny and reflective. These are gel, so it needs to be cured in an LED lamp. And I showed you how the silver look, and I paired it with this red. And as you can see, it's very reflective. And this gold, I paired it with black just to show you what it looks like on top of the color. You can use this by itself. You don't have to use it on top of a color. It's very thick and it's very full coverage. I'll have the link to this Born Pretty product in my description. Stay tuned for future videos using this 3D gel paint by Born Pretty. That's all I have for you guys today. See you in my next video. Thank you. Bye-bye.